Good morning. It is Tuesday. It is the Bubba Show. We're going to do news today, but really there is very little news this week. There is a little bit of housing data. There is a little bit of jobs data, the unemployment, the new claims. But I think what we want to see and what we want to talk about today is the lack of the markets caring about what the news is and more caring about what the Fed and the ECB are saying. We've noticed throughout the last number of months how we continue to ignore any news that is bad. Now that should be sending off a warning sign to us, when we look at earnings. If you look at the earnings season, and just going back into last week, you see that LinkedIn missed and sold off 10%. You see that most of the financial institutions have missed and have sold off. So we start to see opportunities slipping by, but again, you're not in a hurry to jump into the short side of the market because the market is not giving us a full indication that it is ready to go down yet. So you can't force the market down. Remember, the market is always right, and where it's at is the absolute price, because whatever a market or a stock closes at, that's what the market is worth. So don't think that we know more than the actual market. We can take spots and look at items, like we thought last week that the bonds might get a little bit of a sell-off, and we had three opportunities for those sell-offs to occur. We had the FOMC number, the ECB number, and the jobs number. Well, it took finally to the jobs number to get the sell-off in the treasuries. But these are the things that you have to look at. What you need to look for now, because nobody really cares about the news, is when you look at your pattern, you want to look for markets that are extended one way or the other, that have a possible event that will help you benefit from that. But other than that, there is no reason to try to pick the bottom or the top of any market. You want to have a good solid technical chart point that says, yes, it's time to get in on the short side, or yes, it's time to get on the long side. There are still plenty of stocks out there that are able to go higher if you can find the right levels. And there are plenty of stocks that will be able to go lower if you find the right levels. But your focus here should be to see what the news is saying. But again, the news to us is just noise. Focus on the charts, focus on the levels, and follow the footprints. Remember, we do an Average Joe option call every Monday. Would love to see you there. For Tuesday, the Bubba Show, we'll talk to you on Wednesday.